Multiprocessing pool, how to cancel all running processes if one returns the desired result. Given the following Python code, now imagine that the lists with integers in this toy example are extremely long, and what I'd like to achieve here is the following. If one of the lists in some list returns true, kill all running processes. This leads to two questions, and probably more which I haven't come up with. How can I read or listen from a finished process the result, while other processes are running? If for example a process is dealing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from some list, and is finished before all other processes, how can I read out the result from that process in this very moment? Given the case that it is possible to read out the result of a finished process while other are running, how can I use this result as a condition to terminate all other running processes? For example, if one process has finished and returned true, how I can use this as a condition to terminate all other, still, running processes.
Use pool.imap_unordered to view the results in any order they come up. You can iterate over an IMAP res list in your main process while the pool processes are still generating results.
Without fancy IPC, inter-process communication tricks, easiest is to use a pool method with a callback function instead. The callback runs in the main program, in a thread created by multiprocessing, and consumes each result as it becomes available. When the callback sees a result you like, it can terminate the pool. For example, which will almost certainly display the following: all scheduling vagaries may allow another input or two to be consumed.
You want to smoke?